In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to extract audio from a video on your iPhone. First, you'll need to get this app, Shortcuts. Launch the app. Now at the top right, you're gonna find this plus icon, click on that. Then click on this drop down and select the option rename. Now give it a name to your shortcut. After you do that, click on done. Now click on this eye icon. Then enable for the option show in share sheet. Click on done. Now, click on the option Receive, turn off all options except Media. Now in the search bar, type in encode and select encode media. In the encode section, toggle on audio only. Then you can click on the option Format and select your preferred option. Now again, head to our search box and type in Save File. Click on it, then click on Done. Now open the Photos app, select the video you want to extract audio from, tap the share icon and find your newly created shortcut. After tapping it, you'll be redirected to the Files app. Select the save path and click Open. The audio is now extracted. To verify, open the Files app and go to Saved folder and play the extracted audio. And that's it. This way you can easily extract audio from a video on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.